Good morning, children. In previous class, I have given question and answers to you to write in the notes. In this class, I will explain you first the points to remember. In this lesson, what we have learnt. Food contains some components like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Fibers are also a component of food that is present in different kinds of fruits and vegetables. Food supplies the energy to do many tasks in our day to day activities. All food items contain all the components of the food. The amount of each component varies from one type of food to another type. Roughages are dietary fibers, clean our food canal and prevent constipation. Constipation means we can't just we feel some stomach pain. Early morning we can't go for toilets regularly. That is called constipation. We must drink enough water so that our body functions properly. So we should drink plenty of water. And James Lind discovered scurvy, which could be cured or prevented by eating fresh fruits and vegetables. Nowadays we have corona COVID-19, isn't it? For that disease also no medicine, just we have to eat to improve our resistance power. We should eat fresh fruits and vegetables, dry fruits. So in that way, on those days, James Lind discovered scurvy, which could be cured prevented by eating fresh fruits and vegetables. Many nutrients are lost by overcooking, reheating many times, washing the vegetables after cutting them into small pieces. So we should wash the fruits and vegetables after cutting into small pieces. And also if you cook overcooking, reheating also, it leads to loss of nutrients. So we should not eat outside food, junk food, because they cooked many times and heated many times, isn't it? Next, the food that contains all the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in proper proportion is called balanced diet. Very, very important. What is balanced diet? The food contains all the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, and in proper proportion is called balanced diet. Already in your textbook I showed you one picture, thali, full of plate meals, different rice, dal, curd, meat, curry, and everything in our food is called balanced diet. Everyone requires a balanced diet. Even rich or poor or anyone, all should eat. We can eat, poor people also can eat balanced diet in our daily food items. Junk food causes damages to our digestive system. So why should we avoid junk food? Because junk food causes damages to our digestive system. So better to avoid eating junk food. These are the key points of our first lesson. Understand? Now these are the keywords and their meanings. You must know the meanings, each and every word. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates means compound made from plants containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. These are the chemicals. Fibers. A long, fine, continuous thread or filament is called fiber. Balanced diet. A diet that contains adequate amounts of all the necessary nutrients required for healthy and growth and activity. Next, proteins. Nutrients substance contain nutritious substance contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and usually sulfur, and are composed of one or more chains of amino acids. This is proteins. Next, fats. Organic compounds constituting the esters of glycerol and fatty acids and their associated organic groups. These are the keywords and their meanings. Understand? Now next part I will explain you, which we have to just you must write in the notes. This is objective assessment. Here are some choose the correct answers. I will explain you one by one. Listen, read carefully. First one, we need energy while sleeping to maintain dash. Means we need energy while sleeping also to maintain breathing, blood circulation, heartbeat. So answer is all the above. Second one, presence of starch is tested by using iodine. By helping of iodine we can test the starch test. Next, dilute iodine appears in dash color. Means light yellow is the answer. Next, in iodine test starch convert into dash color. Means blue color. Next, fifth one, carbohydrates are rich in dash. Means carbohydrates are rich in rice, wheat, potatoes. So answer is all the above. Next, change of color to violet or purple confirms the presence of dash. Means answer is proteins. Read textbook carefully, you can understand these experiments thoroughly. Understand? Next, growing children need more dash. Growing children need more proteins because proteins are body building foods. Next, dash help in the free bowel movement in the digestive tract. Means roughages. Roughages helps in free bowel movement in the digestive tract. Next, junk food causes damages to our dash system. Already you know that is digestive system. By eating junk food, digestive system will be get spoiled. Next, scurvy is caused by eating dash, and means fruits and vegetables, fresh fruits. By eating fresh fruits we can cure the scurvy disease. Next, major component in the food is dash. Means they are carbohydrates. What is the answer? Fibers are sources from fruits and vegetables. We can get fibers more in the fruits and vegetables and their peels. One man is suffering from constipation. Which component is less in his food? Means roughages are less in his food, so he is suffering from constipation. Answer is D. Next, iodine solution is used in the test of dash. Means starch test. Next, the iodine converts the color of starch as dash. Means blue. And paper translucent test is used for dash. You know that is fats. Answer is fats. In the proteins test we use dash. Means 2% copper sulfate and 10% sodium hydroxide. So answer is both A and B. Which of the following is a good food item? Means milk is the good food item. Answer is A. Next, 19th one, the aim of the given experiment is. Here they given one experiment picture. By seeing that we can say that experiment is need of water in the body. Next, it is good to wash the fruits in dash. In which water we have to wash the fruits? Nowadays we are washing, no? At the time of COVID-19 we are suffering from that COVID-19, so all are washing fruits and vegetables after getting from the market with salt water. So answer is B. Next, generally fruits peels contain, fruit skin of the fruits contain, means answer is fibers. Next, the following fruit is a good water source. In which fruit we can get more and more water? Means watermelon. Next, oil, ghee, butter are the sources of dash. Means answer is C, fats. Where we can get fats? Means all oil products, sweets, ghee, butter, cheese, like that. Next, which of the following are very less amount in our food? Means carbohydrates are rich, proteins also rich, and less amount is vitamins. less amount, little quantity. We get vitamins in little quantity. So answer is D. Next, junk food causes damage to dash means digestive system. 26th one, food habits of the people depend upon means answer is depend upon climate, cultural practices and availability. So answer is D. Food habits of people depends upon climate, cultural practices and availability. Next, last blank, that is 27th one. Which of the following diseases is cured by food? Means scurvy. What is the answer? A. Scurvy. Understand? These are the your choose the correct answers by reading and by writing in the new notebook. Learn well and understand well. Thank you.